I would like to request our last overseas speaker, Ms. Saba Mirzai from Iran, to share her views with us.
In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Hello and respect to everyone. I'm Saba Mirzai from Iran and I'm happy to be part of this conference. My speech is about healthy beginnings, hopeful futures. Childhood is very important for our future today. I want to talk about why a healthy start helps us have a better future. Healthy beginnings, hopeful futures. The future of every society depends on children's health and growth. Childhood is the most important time for shaping a person's personality, thinking skills, and future. Good food, medical care, quality education, and a safe and supportive environment are very important for raising a strong and capable generation. Studies show that children who get the right support when they are young have better health, do well in school, and have more chances for success in life. Families, schools, and government programs play a big role in making sure children grow up well. Helping children stay healthy and happy is not just good for them. It also helps the whole society grow and improve. A good start in life builds a better future for everyone. Thank you for your attention.